Alright, so I'm going to document my journey to go outside to my garage and get something, and also to shake the pine trees. Time to go. Alright, first obstacle. Can I open this door? Yes. This is what awaits me. Death. Alright, I got the gate open. There's the pine trees. They're gonna fall down. I gotta shake the branches. It's treacherous out here. Branch is about to fall down off the tree. Gotta shake it. Oh, that was a mistake. All right, well, that branch is saved. Here's the next one. All right, next over here. I think I saved a couple branches. Now I gotta get to the garage. I'll go this way. Holy moly. Whoa. I can't see the screen on my phone anymore. But this is past my knees. I think I'll be able to open that door. Let's see. Holy crap. It's actually up to my crotch. Hang on. What? Alright. Well, I don't know how that makes any sense. Can you still see? Came here for my chargers. I'm just gonna take the one. Alright, now I gotta go back inside. Where am I supposed to put this charger in? Here we go. Time to go back. Oh! There's snow on the phone. Whoa! Slipping. Gotta get this door closed. Can't let the dog get out. Can't get the door. And it's too slippery. Okay. Phone won't adjust now. Can't see me. Step in the light. I've now returned.